Dhaba style mash dal. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious dhaba style mash dal at home with home ingredients. Take a pan and add oil, chopped onions, when onions will brown, add ginger and garlic paste. Add chopped tomatoes. Add turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Mixed well. Red chili added. Add soaked dal in pan. Cooked well with water. Yogurt. Homemade spice. Add green coriander. Garnish with chopped ginger. Ready for eat delicious dhaba style mash dal. Delicious and tasty. Now make at home with simple ingredients. Alhamdulillah. Thanks for watching.